Colliers, the most important things are clients, or customers as I like to call them, and of course our people.
The interesting thing about Colliers is that we always try and do our best to stay as close as we can to the client on a deal-by-deal basis. And what we found in Central Europe, our relationships have allowed us to really get ahead of where clients think they want to go and help direct them to other Colliers offices through the network.
It's an entrepreneurial spirit with the understandings that we've got to collaborate to make the best for our clients and their goals as we try to transact.
I think we have very, very strong relationships with clients, and this is a relationship business, and that helps us bring clients into new countries, into new regions.
One of the appealing features of Colliers is the international reach, but also the collaborative spirit that exists across the platform.
To help clients of obviously different nationalities move across border into different markets is a skill, and takes time, and it obviously takes patience, but most of all it takes communication. One of the things I always say is that our strength is that we talk to each other, and we look after clients as we would look after our friends as they move from one country to another country.
We've got some really quality people in a lot of the key international markets. We've got great relationships with them, and it's really about enhancing those relationships, using that to our advantage and our clients' advantage, putting the right people together in a room to get the right outcome.
The part that I think is really special for clients is the intellectual capital. We know, 1 minute, for example, in London, what our colleagues in Sydney are working on and dealing with, and the sort of bidders they're getting for products.
We help numerous clients entering the region. It's part of my role to help and connect them to which countries and which sectors they want to go to. To give some examples of what we're doing presently, we're helping the largest Indian office business park developer who's looking to enter the London market, the Paris market, and some of the German main cities.
We work with a lot of clients, a lot of global clients, so Realis is a great client of ours. We've been selling real estate to Realis over the last 10 years.
Capital coming into Central Europe has changed a lot in the last 2 years. We've seen a big inflow of money from South Africa, with, I would say, over 30% of the investment in 2016 coming from South Africa. And more recently, we're seeing Asian money coming in from the likes of Thailand, Turkey, and several sovereign wealth funds active in the region.
Approximately 60% of the deal volume that is pushed through our market in 2017 is foreign capital.
So Colliers, in terms of global capital markets, we have some real strength in depth, both in terms of numbers of professionals, certainly over 600 or 700 people across the world, in all of the major markets where our clients want us to be, but backed up by some fantastic occupier knowledge and leasing knowledge as well, because you can't do one without the other. You need both parts of the equation. But looking at everything from straightforward equity all through the different debt sectors as well, and with a specialization, because after all, our clients want experts in office, in retail, in industrial and logistics, in residential, and all the alternative asset classes which are now wanted today.
What most of our Asian investors will always want before they make a decision to go into any market is research, understanding of the local markets, culture, practices, which will help them to make a well-advised decision.
For me, I think the difference is the people at the end of the day. That's what keeps me in the company, that's what keeps our clients coming back.
It's a really good journey to be on. We seem to be improving every few months, and it's really exciting opportunity to be at Colliers at the moment.